What if your outdoor garden could look like something from another world? From giant prehistoric leaves to rare mountain flowers and tropical plants with unbelievable shapes and textures. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring some extraordinary outdoor plants that stand out for their beauty, rarity, and dramatic appearance. There are so many rare outdoor plants out there. I just picked a few of the most incredible ones. And to make this guide even more useful, we've grouped the plants by USDA hardiness zones, so you can discover which rare species may actually grow in your climate. Whether you live in a cold northern region, a temperate garden zone, or a tropical paradise, there's something incredible waiting for you. Let's begin. Group 1. USDA Zones 3-4. USDA Zones 3 through 4 experience long winters, freezing temperatures, snow, and short growing seasons. But despite these harsh conditions, many rare and beautiful plants can still thrive here. Number 1. Blue Himalayan Poppy. One of the rarest blue flowers in the world, the blue Himalayan poppy is famous for its glowing sky blue petals. It prefers cool mountain-like climates and moist soil, making it perfect for colder gardens. Number 2. Japanese Painted Fern. This elegant fern stands out because of its silver foliage mixed with purple and green tones. It grows beautifully in shaded woodland gardens. Number 3. Ghost Fern. Ghost fern gets its name from its pale silvery leaves that almost appear to glow in low light. Its soft texture adds a magical atmosphere to outdoor spaces. Number 4. Jack Frost Brunnera. This plant looks as though frost permanently covers its leaves. Tiny blue flowers bloom in spring, creating beautiful contrast against the silver foliage. Number 5. Siberian Iris. Known for its graceful blue-purple flowers, Siberian Iris survives freezing winters while adding elegance to garden borders. Number 6. Black Lace Elderberry. Its deep purple-black foliage gives this shrub a dramatic appearance. During summer, soft pink flowers create a beautiful layered contrast. Number 7. Korean Maple. This rare maple tree develops brilliant red and orange leaves during autumn. Its delicate branching structure makes it especially ornamental. Number 8. Himalayan Blue Birch. The bright white peeling bark of this tree stands out beautifully during snowy winters. It adds strong visual texture to colder landscapes. Number 9. Dragon's Blood Stonecrop. This cold hardy succulent spreads across the ground like a crimson carpet. Its foliage becomes even deeper red during cooler temperatures. Group 2. USDA Zones 5-6. USDA Zones 5 through 6 offer milder winters and warmer summers, allowing gardeners to grow more colorful and dramatic outdoor plants. Number 1. Japanese Bloodgrass. This ornamental grass produces brilliant red blades that resemble flames rising from the ground. It creates incredible contrast in garden landscapes. Number 2. Red Hot Poker. Its tall, glowing flowers look like fiery torches. These striking blooms also attract hummingbirds and pollinators. Number 3. Passion Flower. Passion flowers are famous for their incredibly complex blooms. The flowers almost look artificial because of their unusual structure and vibrant colors. Number 4. Cobra Lily. This carnivorous plant resembles a striking cobra ready to attack. Its twisted hood traps insects naturally. Number 5. Pampas Grass. Large feathery plumes move beautifully in the wind and add soft texture to outdoor spaces. It's especially popular in luxury garden designs. Number 6. Lotus Flower. Floating above the water with perfect symmetry, lotus flowers create one of the most peaceful scenes in nature. Number 7. Pitcher Plant. Pitcher plants trap insects inside deep tube-shaped leaves filled with digestive liquid. Their unusual shape makes them one of the most fascinating carnivorous plants. Group 3. USDA Zones 7-8. As we move into USDA Zones 7 through 8, gardens begin to feel much more tropical and dramatic. Number 1. Gunnera Manicata. Often called the dinosaur plant, Gunnera produces enormous leaves that instantly create a prehistoric atmosphere. Number 2. Black Bamboo. Its dark black stems create elegant contrast and movement in the garden. Number 3. Purple Shamrock. This plant combines deep purple leaves with delicate pink flowers. The leaves even fold closed at night. Number 4. Angel's Trumpet. Large hanging trumpet-shaped flowers give this plant a dramatic tropical appearance. Its sweet fragrance becomes stronger in the evening. Number 5. Spiral Aloe. Perfect spiral patterns make this succulent one of the most visually unique plants in the world. Number 6. Giant Himalayan Lily. This towering plant can grow taller than a person and produces enormous fragrant flowers. Number 7. Agave Blue Glow. Sharp blue-green leaves edged with glowing gold create a sculptural modern look. Number 8. Monkey Puzzle Tree. This ancient-looking tree has sharp, twisting branches that give it a prehistoric appearance, unlike almost any other tree. Group 4. USDA Zones 9-10. USDA Zones 9 through 10 allow gardeners to grow lush subtropical plants with bold textures and unusual colors. Number 1. Blue Chalk Sticks. This succulent creates blue foliage that looks stunning in modern landscapes. Number 2. Aeonium Black Rose. Dark rosette-shaped leaves make this succulent resemble giant black roses. Number 3. Rainbow Eucalyptus. This remarkable tree naturally develops multicolored bark in shades of green, orange, red, and blue. Number 4. Cordyline Red Star. Its burgundy sword-like leaves add dramatic color and structure to tropical gardens. Number 5. Venus Flytrap. One of the world's most famous carnivorous plants, the Venus flytrap captures insects using snapping leaf traps. Number 6. Elephant Ear Plant. Huge tropical leaves create dense jungle-like scenery and dramatic texture outdoors. Group 5. USDA Zones 10-12. Finally, USDA Zones 10 through 12 provide warm tropical conditions year-round, allowing some of the rarest plants on Earth to thrive outdoors. Number 1. Black Bat Flower. This mysterious flower produces dark petals and long whisker-like tendrils that make it look truly unusual. Number 2. Corpse Flower. Known for its enormous size and strong odor, the corpse flower is one of the rarest flowering plants in the world. Number 3. Bird of Paradise. Its flowers resemble colorful tropical birds in flight. This plant instantly creates a luxury tropical atmosphere. Number 4. Dragon Tree. The dragon tree develops dramatic umbrella-shaped branches and can live for hundreds of years. Number 5. Staghorn Fern. Its leaves resemble giant deer antlers and grow beautifully mounted on trees or walls. Number 6. Tree Fern. Massive arching fronds transform outdoor spaces into ancient rainforest environments. Number 7. Lithops. Known as living stones, lithops blend naturally into rocky desert landscapes. Number 8. Puya berteroniana. This rare plant produces metallic turquoise flowers unlike almost anything else found in nature. No matter where you live, there are rare and extraordinary plants capable of transforming your outdoor space. From icy northern gardens to lush tropical landscapes, nature offers incredible beauty in every climate zone. Which rare plant was your favorite? And which USDA growing zone are you in? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more rare plants, outdoor gardening inspiration, and amazing botanical discoveries. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.